How to get rid of skunks in your yard with skunk repellent. A skunk in the yard is a real nuisance to you and your family. If someone or something is sprayed by the skunk, the smell lingers for a long time, and getting rid of the odor requires very specific cleaning methods. The best tactic to take is to prevent the skunk from entering your property in the first place. One way you can accomplish this is by using a skunk repellent product. Things you'll need: skunk repellent spray, skunk repellent granules. Apply skunk repellent 2 times per week for a period of 2 weeks. Use the skunk repellent 2 times each month after the initial 2-week period to keep the skunks away. Spray liquid skunk repellent in general areas of your yard. Target areas where you see skunks most often. Add granules of skunk repellent to areas around plants, shrubs, and in your garden to keep skunks away from those spots in your yard, as well. Tips: warnings. It takes a few weeks before the skunk repellents completely repel all skunks from the area where they were sprayed.